would highly encourage people who are looking to buy new or used car, definitely get in touch with Jeremy and his team. It was a great experience. I'm sure you're gonna have a wonderful time working with him, and he's gonna help you pick the right car. Hello, my name is Noble and this is Kevin. So we got this Ford Mach-E last week. If you're looking for a new or a used car, I would highly recommend you reach out to Jeremy and Apex Auto Advocate for help. If you are not updated with the latest changes in the auto industry, or if you're looking for an expert advice, or if you're not sure which car, which brand, model, which make, what features to look for, I would highly recommend you have a good conversation with Jeremy. That's first thing. Or if you have, if you don't have a lot of time, and if you don't want to spend, your time and efforts negotiating with a dealer, Jeremy does a wonderful job finding the best deal for you. So in our case, we drove a few cars and we wanted to buy the Ford Mach-E. So I had a word with Jeremy and I asked him to look for the best deals around 50 miles radius around us. And he took the pain of reaching out to all dealers and negotiating it with them, and he found a wonderful car with a good deal. So he took all the pain and it was so easy for me to go get this car. So I would highly encourage people who are looking to buy new or used car, definitely get in touch with Jeremy and his team. It was a great experience. He's a wonderful guy, and I'm sure you're gonna have a wonderful time working with him, and he's gonna help you pick the right car. Thank you.